Sarcoma Research Solutions is a Spanish biotechnology company specialized in providing research support and expert consultancy with special focus on the field of sarcoma. We're a team that seeks to serve companies aiming to leverage research in the context of sarcoma and transfer this knowledge to the patient's reality in an effort to improve survival and quality of life. Sarcoma care and research is highly challenging, since sarcoma is not one single disease but rather a heterogeneous group of different tumors, which globally exhibits an incidence of 60 new cases per million people a year, which places them in the category of uncommon tumors. The rarity and ubiquity of sarcomas, along with the fact that they comprise more than 80 subtypes and can affect any age, are factors which, when taken together, oblige sarcoma care and research to be concentrated in expert centers. Research is the only way to transform and improve the survival outcomes in patients with tumors, and this is especially true in rare tumors such as sarcomas. The main goal of SRS is to put at the disposal of pharma companies and investigators the tools needed to improve clinical, translational, or preclinical research in the field of oncology, essentially in sarcomas. We are offering 4 different options in clinical services. Clinical consultancy by sarcoma experts is crucial for clinical research in specific sarcomas and specific indications to be properly addressed. Sarcomas exhibit a wide spectrum of behavior and different sensitivity to systemic treatments. All the clinical consultancy will be guided by Dr. Javier Martín Broto, a medical oncologist devoted exclusively to sarcoma care and research over the past 20 years. He is the author of more than 200 scientific publications, has designed and led more than 20 clinical trials in sarcoma, coordinates international networks in sarcoma, and heads up preclinical teams. Consultancy in clinical trial design, protocol development. All the preclinical investigations will be supervised by David Moura, molecular biologist, a senior postdoc with more than 7 years dedicated to sarcoma research. As part of our portfolio, we are offering the possibility of vitro research in immortalized and primary cell cultures, including 3D cultures and co-cultures with different acellular microenvironment components, in vivo experiments to test new molecules or drug combinations, and the development of complementary transcriptomic correlative studies, and translational studies with HTE-EdSec technology for transcriptomics analysis with a variety of panels for human samples. Sarcoma Research Solutions is preparing different applications to facilitate clinical research. In the near future, Sarcoma Research Solutions will present these useful tools. Thanks for building with us.